Just concluded ma'am's ultrasound, MSK ultrasound workshop, and I must say it was a true privilege to have attended her class. Not only did she explain the sonoanatomy really well, in from a beginner's level, if we want to talk about it, she also told a clinician's point of view on how we can approach if we are going for interventions, or the common injuries that we encounter in looking at a particular structure. Uh, it was a great experience. We got ample amount of time and ample amount of time for hands-on training, and she kept coming and correcting us whenever we needed, whenever we had any doubts, and it was great. It was really a truly enriching learning experience. And not to mention, ma'am has a great warm and loving nature, and it was great to have her around, very helpful, and just it was great to have her around, and I loved learning every bit of the 2 days that we attended over here. Thank you.